Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show how to password protect Google Chrome on Windows PC. Open any browser, search for secret folder download. Choose the first site. Click download, select secret folder. Install it. Now create a password. Click OK. Enter recovery email if needed. To lock Chrome, we need to find its location. Right-click on it. File location. There it is. Copy, click Add. Aha! Do this manually. Here it is. For me, it's C, Program Files, Chrome, then Google. Then Chrome, then Applications. Select the folder, click OK. Done. Now, if we try to open Chrome, it's not there. To unlock, click Unlock here, and Chrome will work. To uninstall, search Add or Remove Programs. Type Chrome here. Oh Lord, secret folder. Click Delete, delete. Click Yes, yes. Enter the password for this. Can't just delete it easily. That's all. This was Weller. Bye everyone.